And here is the Welov S25 vacuum, and this thing is awesome. Very portable and mobile, very light, and comes with a battery built in, cordless. And here we go. Let's press this trigger right here. Also has the turbo boost. So that's just the beginning of this review. We're going to check out some of the attachments here. We've got a few different ones. Very easy to connect and disconnect. A couple different ones here. You can go here with the bristles or without the bristles. And then if you want to go into an extension, we'll attach the extension right here. This extension will actually slide out, which can be attached to any of these other nozzles as well. But then you can go into a full vacuum mode and attach it right here. So let's press the trigger again. And turbo boost. So you can really hear the suction in it. Now these are very easy to clean. We'll flip this over and there's a button right here on the side that pops that out if you have to clean in here or get something untangled. Very easy to put back together again. So a lot of suction power and a lot of power with the roller. Now another way, let's pull this off of here. And to change the filter out or empty, you can just press this button here. Remove all the garbage. We'll twist this here and pull out the filter and clean. But it also comes with an extra filter, so that's very handy as well. Put this back in here, turn until it clicks. Close that and you're ready to go. Now when the battery gets low, you can see the indicator light here on top. There's the indicator light for the battery. But when the battery does get low, you'll just take the charger cord, plug that right into the wall, and you'll be ready to go. And what's great about this is you can mount this right on a wall. It comes with a mounting kit. This will hook just like that, right on the wall. Okay, so let's do a little demo of the suction power. Sprinkle down something that needs to be picked up. The trigger one time. Picks this up very easily. You can see here in the compartment that it's getting everything. If you really wanted to boost it up, and just like that, it works great. Now to empty, like I showed you before, that comes out the bottom. Let's try this attachment. Pick up spills super fast. Sprinkle some things here to pick up. Okay, so now let's attach our extension rod all the way out as far as you want it. Turn it off. This is low power. Seems like it's picking up on low power. If you need extra power, just hit that boost button. And let's see what we picked up. Picked up some extra stuff as well. What's nice is it has a flexible head and you can get under couches really far. That's how far I'm getting under the couch. Fuzzy roller. Okay, so this is the Welov S25, a great vacuum, very handy, very light and very mobile, and of course it's cordless. Thanks a lot to Welov for sending this out for review. Comes with everything you need. This is a great vacuum, can highly recommend. Definitely go get one of these.